Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your API key for Iterable, how to integrate Iterable to your AEvent account, and how to test successful connection between Iterable and your AEvent account. So to start, let's log into your Iterable account. Once logged in, from this page, you just have to hover your mouse over integrations, and from here, just click on API keys and you'll be able to see all your API keys from this page. If you don't have an API key for AEvent yet, just click on plus new API key from the upper right hand side. And I'll be naming it AEvent test for the purposes of this tutorial. And the type will be server side. Just click on create API key and you may copy and paste it. We highly suggest that you save it somewhere easily accessible like Google Sheets or Notepad. Once you have this copied, just click on close and we can now proceed integrating Iterable to your AEvent account. So from your AEvent account, from the dashboard, you just have to go to the integrations page. Once here, just click on add integration from the upper right hand side and let's look for Iterable by typing it on the search bar. Oh, I spelled it incorrectly. All right, so just click on the drop down arrow. And from here, you can already see the things that you can do with Eatable. You can send a campaign, add contact to list, or remove contact from list. But for this tutorial, we will be adding the integration. So just click on add integration and you may name it or label it however you want, but we suggest that you label it to make it easily identifiable in case you'll be adding additional iterable accounts to your AEvent account in the future. So once you're satisfied, just click on connect and you will be prompted for the API key, which we already have handy. Once you already have it in, just click on continue and we'll get a prompt that it's successful. So we have successfully integrated Eatable to our event account. So the next thing that we'll be doing is establishing a successful connection between the two accounts. So just click on the test button from here. And as you can see, we have successfully tested or established the connection between your Eatable account and your AEvent account. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you.